Regardless if you are a first-time home buyer, you're upsizing, downsizing, or possibly moving in from out of town, one thing is true, and that is that you want a professional agent that will do the job for you. Hi, I'm Alice Smith with Remax Compass in Houston, Texas, and I believe I'm that gal. I know that through the years there are a few things that are very important. And the first one is that there is an agent that is honest, filled with integrity. I assure you that I'll be that agent. I was raised that way, and as I would want others to treat me, I will treat you. Another one is that you want someone that is qualified. I have many years of qualification all the way back from 1986, and I can assure you that I know my stuff. And the last one that I believe that is important is someone that has experience. Not only do I have experience, but I'll make this transaction lots of fun. I'll connect you with the right loan officer, help you through the process, communicate with you effectively, and bring you all the way to the closing to where you will enjoy and experience home ownership that is a great benefit and a blessing for you. So give me a call, 281 830 8725. My name again is Alice Smith, 281-830-8725. Or you can zip me an email. That is at alicesmith@remax.net. Alice Smith at remax.net. Be blessed today.